Vamos a escuchar nuevamente cómo se vivieron esos segundos del tiroteo dentro de la sinagoga Árbol de la Vida.
Shabbat services there recently, but typically with a 9:45 a.m. service, 20 to 30
guns armed with AR-style weapons, as well as 1 or 2 handguns.
3 officers. Preliminary numbers are